Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I have gathered some clips that I have taken while I was crocheting this lovely cardigan. I just want to say that I think I finished it in 3 days. It was so fun and I really enjoyed it. I used up a total of 11 of these yarn that I purchased. 6 was from Kristen Ondell's website and 5 was from AliExpress. So total of 11, 100 gram each. I have used up all the way to the end, so I just have a little bit left over. And I used different techniques. So I did a couple of videos already. I shared how to crochet this, and it looks like I already have a tutorial way back. I can't remember when I posted that, so you can find that if you want to go. I don't remember what the name is, but when I find it, I will tag it to the videos that I have added to this cardigan. And here is me crocheting it. I just want to say it was really fun. I used 5 bulky yarn on this cardigan, which turned out to be very bulky. So here I am crocheting. Okay, here I had to just try it outside because the yarn being 100% milk yarn, which this is the first time I am working on it for clothing. I did crochet with to crochet. I did make octopuses, but this is the first time I am using this yarn to make clothing. So I wanted to try it outside, how it felt, and it felt like a feather. I didn't feel anything, like it wasn't acrylic in it. That's what I'm trying to say. So I really enjoyed it. Here is me. I finished one of the sleeve and I'm working on the second sleeve, so I'm showing as I demonstrating in the video. And I put a pin. I haven't sewed any buttons. It really depends on how you want to use it, but you don't have to put a pin or you don't have to put a button. I did 6 double crochets on the button edge here, just to point out. But in my future, I'm going to be using this stitch. I really enjoyed it. It was really fun to work with this stitch. So in the future, I will make instead of 6, I will make 4 double crochet on the edges. So so the stitch will show more. Yeah. Looks like a crop cardigan here. On this clip, I have finished the 2 sleeves, and I did some work on the neck area, which I'm going to do a tutorial for that. And yeah, I'm showing you the sleeves that I have finished. I finished the sleeves with picot at the edge to give that nice lacy look instead of doing the double crochet border. Here I'm having fun making this video. In this this clip that I have took outside again, see how the weather changes here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. It's snowing like crazy. Yeah, so I finished the cardigan, and I just wanted to take a video and take pictures outside when it was snowing. It's pretty wet though. And see how the length, again, I'm a tall girl and I'm a plus girl, so just want to point out, even being tall 5.9, I'm almost 6. So see how you can see? So for average person, this will be down to knee, I would say, maybe below the knee. I haven't measured it, but yeah, that's what I feel like. It's like 32 inches, maybe more, the length of the cardigan. So this would be perfect for even in the summer if you're, if you're going to be swimming, just put it over yourself when it gets chilly. So it's being natural milk. It feels like cotton, that's what I want to say. So enjoy it. I'm almost at the end. I have another clip after this. Yeah, so like I said, I really enjoyed this, working with this stitch. I just couldn't believe how fast it went. And the texture is just fantastic. So you can make anything with this. I am planning, stay tuned for that, as soon as I finish this mustard cardigan that I was designing, and then this came into my mind. When you're working, when you're trying to create something, when you're designing something, and then boom, something else comes in mind. So I just had to finish this, because I already did this tutorial months ago, maybe years ago, I can't remember. Can't find that tutorial, but it's there somewhere in my YouTube channel. And I was planning to make it top down because I did the tutorial for the stitch. And sometimes it just pops in your head and then you need to work with it. So that's what happened to me while I was working with this. Another thing came to my mind, but at first I need to finish this mustard, and I will come back and do the tutorial with this stitch, but this time I'm going to start from the sleeve and then work it up. And this time I'm going to be using different colors, like the cakes that I bought from Hobbyim from Turkey, hobbyim.com. I want to use up them, so I thought, playing around with the colors would be fantastic with this stitch. So stay tuned for that tutorial. I'm going to let you guys go. I'm really tired. I was up till 7 trying to finish. I only had one ball left. But, sometimes when you get tired, you can't finish it. Well, I hope you liked this video, and stay tuned for my next tutorials. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't be shy to hit that notification button, so every time I post a new video, you will be notified. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.